Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader at XAUUSD. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So the market is open. The market is open, and right now we can see that gold is trading at 1746. And right now I'm in a 15 minutes time frame, and as you can see that I have drawn a wedge pattern here. If you have been watching my channel, then you know it very well that I do not talk about patterns much because different patterns are visible on different time frames. Okay, so let's try to get on the point and understand the important levels for the day. But before I proceed, I would like to take you to the chart of DXY, US dollar currency index, and DXY. Okay, DXY is showing some sort of recovery signs. Okay, keep in mind some sort of recovery signs. This is not a clean recovery because as we all know that today is Monday. Okay, usually during the first half of Monday we do not see much volatility due to less volume in the market, and for a proper breakout we need volume. So this is a perfect example of a Monday market. You can see there is not much volume, market is struggling to go up, and in case DXY starts going up also, there will be multiple resistances, multiple blocks for DXY, because after all there is no fundamental factor present in the market that will push the market up. Inflation has gone down, so Fed will also be not going for hike in interest rates. So overall, okay, DXY will remain like this, or there can be some temporary recovery. Okay, so if DXY starts going up during the day, then the next resistance will be around 107.40. Yes, 107.40 next resistance, and then the next big resistance will be around 108 level. So these two are the important resistances. Keep in mind, even if DXY starts showing upside also, it will not be a trend reversal. For a proper trend reversal on DXY, it will have to cross this level at least. It will have to cross 109 level, 110 level, but right now there are multiple resistances. So let's wait and watch how DXY reacts around this level. Okay, now let's get back to the chart of gold. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold in front of us. Today I am using a very messy chart. Okay, you can see that my chart is messed up. Okay, at first let me remove these patterns. Okay, and let's try to understand the levels one by one. First of all, we can see that market is right now standing, okay, after forming these red candles, market is standing at the Fibonacci 23% here, and clearly we can see that right now market is trying to take support also. We cannot deny the fact that Fibonacci 23.6% is working here. So during the day, if market tries to recover, okay, listen to me carefully, then the first resistance will be around 1754 to 1755. This will be the first resistance on gold chart. Okay, because previous support will act as resistance here. Okay, and one more thing that I would like to add here is that 1754 to 55 is a very clear-cut resistance on the chart of gold. Clear-cut resistance on the chart of gold, and market does not like common things. Listen to me carefully. Okay, market does not like common things. So when market will be approaching 1754-55, observe the market first, because market may go for stop loss hunting as well. If you are a trader, then you know it very well, then market usually go for stop loss hunting, and which is very pathetic. Okay, so if market goes up and if the volatility of the market is slow, okay, observe the market around 1754-55 level. If you see then market is showing price rejection, market is reversing, then only take a sell position. But because see, whenever there is a very common level in the market, okay, so usually what market does is that, what the big sharks, the big risk they do is that, okay, they go for liquidity hunting, they go for stop loss hunting. So what market will do is that, yes, market will reverse eventually, but at first they will eat all the stop losses here. Okay, at first they will eat all the stop losses here, they will hunt down the stop losses of the retail traders, and then the market will start going down again. Because if you if you read some articles, okay, for example this article from FX Rate, you can see gold I 1736 to 1730 as the next downside target. So overall the sentiment is towards the downside, but even if it goes up, then it may go up, go for stop loss hunting. So please be careful. And see, market doesn't do it every day, every time, okay? So there are certain days, certain so you cannot be too sure that today it is the day. But yes, as a retail trader, it is our duty to protect our capital, isn't it? So we must be careful. So first of all, if market goes up, observe the market on 1754-55 level. If you see market reversing, then only to take a sell position. Be careful, okay? At first, try to book your profits after 30 to 40 pips only. Your first profit booking target should be 30 to 40 pips. If you see the downside is going continuing, then you can continue with the position. Otherwise, try to book your 50%, 60% profit after 30 to 40 pips. मतलब 30-40 पिप के बाद अपना 50 मेजॉरिटी प्रॉफिट बुक कर लीजिएगा. And in case market breaks it, okay, in case market breaks it also, no need to go for a buy position around 1755. No need to go for a buy position around 1755. Wait for the market to reach the next big level. Where is the next big level? Your next big levels are 1760, 1765, and then 1770. These three are the next levels for gold where you can expect the market to reverse. See, today I'm giving you many levels because you need to observe the market around each and every level. But I think that the stop loss hunting is very much possible around 1755 level, okay, because this level is clearly visible on the chart. And those who are wondering why I'm not talking about the head and shoulder, yes, head and shoulder is also very much visible. Yes, this is a head and shoulder. But right now, as you can see, market is trying to take support. So yes, if market goes up okay, try to take a sell position around these levels. Observe the market. If you see market going down, take a sell position, but be careful with 1755. Like again I'm saying, okay, again I'm saying 1760 is a good level. 1765, 60, 1770, these are all good levels from where you can expect the market to reverse. If you see market showing price rejection from above, go for a sell with proper risk management. Don't gamble with your hard-earned money. And my dear friends, I have two announcements. First of all, I'll be releasing a Hindi video from this week onwards, because after so many requests, इतना request आता है, तो मैंने अपने वाइफ से बात किया how to make time. So yes, we have done some arrangement. So yes, I'll be bringing a Hindi video mostly during the afternoon, means during the European session. Okay, so this is my first announcement. And secondly, the next workshop date is 1st December to 3rd December, and I have made some big changes to the workshop. Yes, the workshop is that, okay, if you really want to take up trading a serious source of income, if you really like my work, okay, then please check out the link in the description, because this is the world's most affordable forex trading workshop. And I have shared my story also. This time I have shared my story. If you're interested in knowing my story, how I have started my journey, okay, what are the problems I face, okay, I have wrote in brief, okay, and then you can check out how the workshop will transform your life, okay. And who should not join? Yes, gamblers, traders planning to double, triple their income in 1 month, 2 months. Yeah, please do not join. And previously it was 2 days workshop, and from now on it will be a 3 days workshop, okay. Hopefully you will like the content. Hopefully the workshop will be able to change your life. If you are really interested in taking up trading as a serious profession, side income, then you can consider joining the workshop. The link is in the description. Now let's get back to the chart of gold. So as we have already seen that 1736 to 30 is the next level for gold. But personally, I think that gold has the potential of hitting 1723, 22 to 23. Okay, it may take a couple of days. Okay, it may take a couple of days, but 1722, 23 is the next possible target for gold. So if gold breaks 1742 level, if gold breaks this level here, it means if gold breaks the present level, Okay, if gold breaks the present 1742 level, the present green candle on the 4-hour chart, okay, we will get the confirmation that okay, sellers will not allow the market to go up. In that case, you can consider taking a sell position below 1742. But keep in mind 1740 if you take a sell position below 1742 and your target is 1722 or 23, then this may not be achieved in 1 day or 2 days. It can be a swing trade as well. Okay, so day traders, if market goes down below 1742, okay, and you see that candle is also good enough, you can go for a sell position. Try to book your profits after 40 to 50 pips. 1722 23 is for mainly swing traders, because right now market doesn't seem so weak that it will hit 1722 23 level. I don't know about the US session, okay, but as of now, okay, there is another good selling opportunity below 1742 level as well. But yes, there is not much volume, so market is slow. So usually when the market is slow, there is not much volume in the market, you must be careful with the breakout or breakdown trades, because it can lead to false breakout as well. False breakouts are a bitter reality of the market, you must understand. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. Bye bye, take care. Please follow proper risk management, because my analysis can be wrong as well. No trader is 100% accurate, so be careful. Bye bye.